If you see the warning sliding door power unavailable, operate manually in your Chrysler Pacifica, this most likely means that the door experienced an issue in closing or opening and disabled the motor. This may happen when something is stuck in the rail or someone is pulling the door while it's being closed or opened. Anyway, this is a safety feature that Chrysler implemented to avoid the door injuring someone or breaking something when it operates with the help of the motor. And when this happens, just reset the system. First of all, I strongly recommend opening and firmly closing the gas door. The thing is that when the gas door is open, the door on that side will deactivate the motor and show exactly this message if you press the button to open it. This is another safety thing to avoid the door opening when you fill up the gas tank. So anyway, open and close the gas door to make sure that the car knows it's closed properly. After that, manually open the sliding door that malfunctions to the very end till it clicks. Wait for 7 or 10 seconds. Now manually close the door all the way till it latches. You will feel the tension that the electric motor creates, but it's fine, you will not break anything. Now at this point the door may start working. If it doesn't reset the system, you will need to repeat this reset procedure 2 more times. Sometimes the computer just needs to make sure everything is fine with the door before it activates the power sliding function again. If this doesn't work, you may also check the fuses that cover the sliding doors. For example, in the 2018 Pacifica, these fuses are located in the box under the hood. They are fuses 25, 27, 34, 49 and 50. You may swap them with working fuses and check if these fixes the problem. If nothing helps and you still see the warning, the last DIY thing you may try is disconnecting the 12-volt battery. This will reset the sliding door modules, and if the problem is a software glitch, you will get them working once you reconnect the battery. I believe to reset the system, both main and auxiliary batteries need to be disconnected for at least 5 or 7 minutes. If this doesn't help, you need to have the doors inspected in a good repair shop.